Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to make the origami flapping bird. When you pull the tail, it flaps. Really cool and fun model to make. It's really easy too. This should get you started in making origami. So, what you need is a square piece of paper. It doesn't matter, just a square piece of paper. I like taking a piece of printing paper and making it into a square by folding diagonally and taking the extra piece of paper off. Okay, so once you have a square piece of paper, you want to fold it diagonally this way. Crease it really good, line up your creases. Point your fingernail, rub it across both ways. Okay, now you want to unfold this, and you should have a cross, like a line through it. Now you want to fold it diagonally the other way. Quiet. Sorry guys, trying to make my little sister get quiet. Alright, so fold diagonally. Okay, so once you unfold it, you should have X in the paper. Okay, now you want to fold it in half, like this. So make sure you're folding it in half, line it up really good. Claire, why? Okay, sorry guys. Unfold it. Fold it in half again. Okay, once you fold it in half, line up the creases really good. You know, every time you fold it, you want to line up your creases. That's just one main thing of origami. Okay, so once you're finished, you should have a cross and the X in the paper. Now what you want to do, this is probably the trickiest part of the bird, but I know you can get it. Fold it diagonally again, like that. You know, now open this, take this corner, put it down to the tip, take it and fold it out like that. Okay, and you try to get the best creases to the tip, okay? Alright. So, hold on, let me do this the other way, because, sorry, hold on. Alright, so, let's try this again. Fold it in diagonal, open this up, fold it down to the tip, take this, fold it out like that, crease it down so it looks like that. Now, we want to do this side. Open it up, push it down, fold this down. Okay, so inside, you should have two little points and these two flaps. If not, you should try it again because you probably messed up. Okay, now, in the open end, you want to fold this up to the corner, like this. So once you fold it up to the corner, you want to make sure that this is pointing to the open end. If it's pointing to the closed end, that means you have did it wrong. So make sure it's pointing to the opened end. So fold it up to this side too. Same thing. Okay, so once you get it folded up, it should look like this. Okay, so once you get that, flip it around, do the same thing on the back. So, fold it. Sorry for the camera quality, it's not that good, but you can still see. Alright, so, it should look like this. Open in, right here. Okay, so now, take this pointing, now it should look like a kite. Now take this, fold it down onto that line where it goes up, fold that down, crease it really good. It might be a little bit tough, but you really want to crease it good because that's going to help on the next fold. Now unfold these two flaps, take this first layer of paper, fold it up, and it should stop against that fold that we just made the tip. Now it should look like this. It should be open like that. Okay, now I'm going to push it down. In these, there should be 2 flaps. Go in, push that in, and then crease it really good. Okay, so once you crease it, it should look like a diamond. Flip it around and do the exact same thing on the back. So, unfold these, fold the tip down, so like this. Now unfold it, open this up, push the 2 creases in. So should look like this. Okay, now you should notice on the end there are 2 flaps that move, and on this side it should be solid. It shouldn't be moving. Okay, so on the 2 parts that move, okay, so you gotta look really closely on this next part. Open this up like that. Take the tip, pull it, so, okay, let me try that again so I get a little better picture. Okay, so I got a bird base. This is called the bird base, if I didn't mention. On the side, open this up, and take this, pull it up, push these back together, and when you push it back together, it should fold in half. And it should, I'll show you a closer picture of the finished thing. So it should look like this, and inside it'll look like that. What you just did is you took it like that, opened it back up, pushed that up, and creased it down flat like that. Okay, so this will be the head. Now let's make the tail. So the exact same thing, open these corners up, take this, fold it up, pinch these back together, fold these down. So now you got the tail. So the head, for the head, alright, so for the head, you want to take it, open it up, fold it down, like that. So that is your head. So you basically got a bird. The tail, the head, these are the wings that we're going to fold now. Okay, so to fold the wings, you want to fold it, and I'll get a close up. Once I get this one wing fold, I'll tell you how to get it folded. So let me fold this wing, and I'll tell you how I got it. Okay, so you see here that the wing should end the tip where the head starts going. So, alright, so the head is sticking out, and the wing is meeting right where the head's starting to stick out. Now at the other end, the wing should stop right there. You want to push it all the way down till it stops. It won't go no further. Do that for the exact same side, but it's going to be a lot easier since you only have to line up with the other wing. So line it up with the other wing, crease it down. And now you're pretty much finished with your origami flapping bird. Now all you got to do is flap it. Now how to do that? Take your tail, hold it right there where the head points, pull the tail, and it should flap really easily. And that's a tutorial on how to make the origami flapping bird. Please watch any of my other videos on how to make more origami videos, more review videos, and a bunch of other things. So thank you for watching. Enjoy my videos.